Hello, good morning, all of you. This is the part 6 of fluid connective tissue. Okay, in this part, we are going to learn what are the formed elements and the difference between RBC, leukocytes, and platelets. Okay, formed elements means okay, this is one of the component in blood. Blood has blood plasma as well as formed element. Formed elements they constitute 45% of the blood. Okay, they include erythrocytes, okay, red blood corpuscles, leukocytes, white blood corpuscles, and platelets. Okay, they include erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Erythrocytes, red blood cell, leukocyte, white blood corpuscle, and platelets. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. What is meant by hematopoiesis or hemopoiesis? The process of formation of blood cells. The process of formation of blood cells means RBC, WBC, platelet, that is called hemopoiesis or hematopoiesis. Hematology is the study of blood. Okay, where does this hemopoiesis occur? It occurs in different places in the different stages of our life. Okay, development. In the earliest stages of embryogenesis, okay, blood cells are formed from the yolk sac mesoderm. Okay, this is the yolk sac. Okay, in the earliest embryonic development, blood cells are formed from the yolk sac mesoderm. Later on, later on, and they are formed. Later on, they are formed. Where are they formed? They are formed in the liver as well as spleen, which serves as, which act as temporary hemopoietic tissues. What are the temporary hemopoietic tissues? Okay, liver, spleen, and yolk sac mesoderm. Sometime it is acting as a hemopoietic organ. Sometime they are acting as hemopoietic organs later in the final stage of embryonic development as well as after birth. Red bone marrow is the primary site of heme. What is the primary site of hemopoiesis? Red bone marrow. When? Okay, fine, during the first final stage of the embryonic development as well as after birth. Okay, this is the bone marrow. You can see here, this is the red bone marrow where blood cells are formed. Okay, right. Next come to comparison of blood cells, RBC, WBC, and platelets. Okay, RBC, WBC, okay, origin. Okay, where are these RBC are formed? Red bone marrow, WBC, red bone marrow, as well as lymphoid organs, lymphocytes, especially formed in lymphoid organs. Okay, thymus gland, bone marrow. Okay, lymphoid organs means okay, there are different types of primary lymphoid organs, secondary lymphoid organs. Okay, WBC are formed in bone marrow as well as in lymphoid organ. Platelets are formed in the bone marrow, red bone marrow, by a process called fragmentation from megakaryocyte. Shape. Okay, what is the shape of RBC? Circular, biconcave, and they do not have nucleus, enucleated. Here, the platelets also do not have nucleus, oval, spherical, and a disc shape. Okay, these are irregular shape with nucleus. Here, these are without nucleus. Here, they are also without nucleus, especially in mature state. Count. Males have 5.5 million to female have 4.5 million. And WBC here, okay, only in thousands, 6,000 to 10,000 as per NCERT textbook, 6 to 8,000. And platelets to 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs, okay, as per NCERT 1.5 to 3.5 lakhs. Okay, these are in millions, these are in lakhs, these are in thousand. That means you can arrange them in ascending order as well as in descending order. Okay, in ascending order, what comes first? Okay, WBC, then comes platelets, and what comes next is the WRBC. In descending order, descending order also you can ascending order. In ascending order, okay, first what comes? WBC, then platelets, then comes the RBC, and descending opposite. What do we call the for production of RBC? The formation of RBC is called erythropoiesis, WBC is called leukopoiesis, platelets is called thrombopoiesis. Overproduction. Okay, when we call overproduction of RBC is called erythrocytosis, overproduction of WBC is called leukocytosis, overproduction of platelets is called thrombocytosis. And this condition, okay, when there are RBC more than normal, that condition is called polycythemia. And the condition of having excess WBC is called blood cancer or leukemia. Okay, when there is a more increase, when there's sometimes when we have infection, there is a slight increase of WBC. Okay, that is temporary. And here underproduction of WBC, this is called through this condition when the blood cells, RBC, platelets, and WBC, RBC are lower in number than normal. That is called, when RBC are lower, that is called erythrocytopenia, WBC leukocytopenia, and the platelets is thrombocytopenia. Function: RBC, it is they help in transportation of respiratory gases, it helps in defense and blood clotting, platelets help in clotting. And next one, lifespan of RBC is 120 days, lifespan of WBC is a few days to few years, and platelets 5 to 9 days. Okay, that's about the comparison of blood cells, RBC, WBC, and platelets. Okay, you can see here RBC of camel, which are in which are in oval shape, okay, elliptical shape, but the human RBC are circular and biconcave. You can see here animal. This is the llama. Okay, llama. Okay, in this animal also, in this animal the RBC like camel, okay, elliptical or oval shape,